In the jungle, what do we see? A big elephant stomping so free, with a long trunk and ears so wide, spraying water side to side. Roar, chirp, growl and play, jungle friends we meet today. Learn their names and what they do. The jungle's waiting just for you. There's a lion, king of the land, with a golden mane so grand. He roars loudly, strong and proud, ruling the jungle, he's never cowed. A cheeky monkey swings on trees, eating bananas with such ease. It chatters and laughs, oh what fun, jumping around in the jungle sun. The striped zebra, black and white, runs in the jungle, oh what a sight. It gallops fast through the grassy ground, with a group of friends always around. Roar, chirp, growl and play, jungle friends we meet today. Learn their names and what they do. The jungle's waiting just for you. There's a busy antelope leaping so high, chasing the breeze under the sky. With strong legs it bounds with grace, running in the jungle race. A wise old owl perched on a tree, hooting softly, woo, look at me. It sees the night with its big bright eyes, watching the stars light up the skies. The gorilla's strong, beating its chest, protects its family and loves to rest. In the jungle it's calm and cool, sitting under the trees like a king on a stool. The peacock spreads its feathers so wide, a rainbow of colors, a jungle's pride. Dancing and prancing, a sight to see, what a dazzling beauty it must be. Roar, chirp, growl and play, jungle friends we meet today. Learn their names and what they do. The jungle's waiting just for you. There's a tiny chameleon changing its hue, a hopping kangaroo leaping through. The clever fox and the tall giraffe, in the jungle they make us laugh. Roar, chirp, growl and play, jungle friends we meet today. Now we know just who they are, jungle animals,